Hello, dear student. Today our topic is application of absorption. So, absorption find extensive application both in research laboratory and in industries. A few of application are discussed below. In preserving vacuum. So, in Dewar flask, activated charcoal is placed between the walls of the flask so that any gases which enters into the annular space either due to glass imperfection of diffusion through glass is absorbed. And next, in gas marks, so all gases containing suitable absorbent so that the poisonous gases prevent in the atmosphere are preferentially absorbed and the air of breath is purified. And clarification of sugar. So sugar is decollized by the treating sugar solution with charcoal powder. The latter absorb of undescribable color present. And the next, in paint industries, so the paint should not contain dissolved gas as otherwise the paint does not adhere well to the surface to be painted and thus will have a poor covering power. The dissolved gas are therefore removed by suitable absorbent during manufacture. So further all surface are covered with layers of gases, liquid or solid films, and these have to be removed before the paint is applied. This is done by suitable liquid which absorb these films, and such liquid are called wetting agent. The use of spirit as wetting agent in furniture painting is well known. And the next slide, in chromatography analysis. So the selective absorbent of certain substance from a solution by a particular solid absorbent has helped to develop technique for the separation of the components of the mixture. The technique is called chromatographic analysis. For example, in column chromatography, a long and wide vertical tube is filled with a suitable absorbent and the solution of the mixture poured from the top and then collected by one from the bottom. In the next slide, in catalysis. So in catalysis, the action of certain solid as catalysis is best explained in terms of absorption. The theory is called absorption theory. According to this theory, the gases rectants and absorb bit on the surface of the solid catalyst. As a result, the concentration of the reactants increase on the surface and hence the rate of reaction increase. The theory is also able to explain the greater efficiency of the catalyst in the finely divided state nickel in picture. And the next slide, in absorption indicator. So various dyes which on their use to absorption has been introduced as indicators, particularly in precipitation titration. For example, KBr means potassium bromide is easily treat with silver nitrate using ions in picture as a indicator. In soldering of hard water, the use of iron Exchange for soft drink of hot water is based upon the principle of competing absorption just as in chromatography. In removing moisture from air in the storage of delicate instrument, such instrument which may be harmed by the contact with the moist air are kept out of the contact with moisture using silica gel. And the next slide, catalyst. So a catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of a reaction by providing an alternate path of the lower activation energy. Since catalysts are not consumed in a reaction, very small quantities of catalysts are required to enhance a reaction. So catalysts affect only the rate of reaction kinetic. It change neither of thermodynamic of the reaction for nor the equilibrium composition. Properties of catalyst. So the activity of a catalyst depend on the strength of chemical absorption. To be active, the surface of the catalyst should be extensively covered by the absorbent. That is, the chemioabsorption should be strong. However, if the strength of the absorbent bond becomes too strong, then the activity of the catalyst declines because other reactant molecules cannot react with the absorbent, or because the absorbent molecules become immobilized on the surface. It has been observed that the catalyst activity increased from group 5 melter to group 11 with maximum activity shown by group 7 to 9 elements of the periodic table. In the next slide, we discuss two enzyme part. Okay.